A lot of professional traders are using dark EAs to manage their funds. Now I decided to get this EA for optimization, backtesting, and then live trading, and I will keep sharing all these results with all of you here on this channel. If you purchase this EA with our affiliate link, you will get our VIP membership free of cost. No need to join our broker, no need to pay us a monthly fees. And also if you use this coupon, you will get a 10% discount on your checkout. The link is in the description. Purchase this EA and get the best input setting from me and get the fantastic results as I'm going to share in this video. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. You are watching Trading Board Lab and I'm your host Abdul. In this video, I am going to share the results of dark EAs with you. Let's move to my screen and here you can see I already got these two EAs, the dark Nova and the dark Gold. And the purpose of getting these EAs is just to do in-depth optimization, backtesting and then live results and then share all these results with you. In this video, I will show you the results of AUDNZD by using the Dark Nova EA on 5-minute time frame. On my screen here, you can see I will open the browser to analyze the results, and yes, you can also analyze all these results on this website, Trading Board Lab. When you search it on the Google, you will see tradingboardlab.com. You simply need to go to this website and it may take some time if you are visiting this website for the first time. Here you can see we have two sections for the results, the backtest results and live results. You can check. For now, I am going to present you the backtest results of Dark Nova on AUDNZD. And here all these EAs are optimized and results are available. You can go to this website and visit all these results. So let's move to the Dark Nova. And here when I select the Dark Nova EA, it shows me a message that it is syncing the results from the server to your PC. And here on the top, you can see the progress. It is downloading the results of all these EAs. On the top, you will see the combined view and the single view, AUDNZD and Euro USD. In the last video, I showed you the results of gold, but I will never recommend you to use this boat on the gold for now, or you can do your own optimization. And if you got some good results, you can share the results with me and I will publish the results here on the website if you want. You can see the performance graph, the trade distribution and the metrics. These sections are the most important. All the values are here, you can see. And the most important thing is monthly profit and loss. You will see month by month, in which month how much it make money and how much percentage. You can also move any tab up or down. If you click here, it will move up, and if you click down, it will move down. By this way, you can control the layout of this website. And here if you see, all months are in profit, and overall in the 2022 it made 13%, in 2023 it made 52% of growth, and 21%, and right now in 2025 the total growth is 6.7%. and remember, this is just one pair, it is consistent. And let's suppose you are using 2, 3 or more pairs and combine all these results, so it will be a huge profit at lowest drawdown. And here on the website, I already give you an option here. In this video, I am focusing on the results of AUDNZD only, so I will switch back to the single mode. Here you can see the performance graph and the drawdown. In the start, it gave us some drawdown up to 6%, and after that there is no big drawdown till now. And this big drawdown was in the November 2022, and after that there is no drawdown at all in the last 3 years. And now let's move to the metrics, and if I click here on, I can move it up and we can see the things side by side. Yes, here I deposited, initial deposit is $1,000 and total net profit is $1,244 in the last all these years. If I move it down, it will be up. So here you can see side by side. The equity drawdown, the maximum is 6.35% in the last 3 to 4 years. And here you can see the gross profit, gross loss, recovery factor, profit. All these values are here. If you want to analyze all these results by yourself, you can simply go to the the website and go to the backtest results, all these results are visible to our all visitors. No restrictions. I hope so you get a clear idea how this is performing month by month, overall, year by year, and now you can make a decision. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.